pepper. Let's do this. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my milk, froth it up. I don't even know what I'm doing. Take a burger froth up. I did it the other day. We have that. Next is open the drink. Pour that in here. Put some butterscotch. You want me to do more butterscotch, honey?
Yes.
You said it needed a little extra for good measure. Stir that. Now, we need to put the butterscotch in our glasses to make them look all pretty. Whoop, whoop. Now, soda. Boom. Mmm. That's really good. Really good. Cool. You want to try it now?
You want to try it now?
You want to try some? You want to try some?